Have you ever wondered if something as simple as salt could change your life? Not just in your kitchen, but in your home, your energy, your body, and even your bank account. Today, we're diving into the ancient world of sea salt, a mineral harvested from the ocean, infused with centuries of mystique and packed with modern-day magic. This is not just a seasoning, it's a secret weapon for wellness, beauty, energy cleansing, and yes, even manifesting abundance. Sea salt is harvested through the natural evaporation of seawater. Unlike refined table salt, it's minimally processed, preserving trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, giving it a unique texture, taste, and color. Depending on where it's sourced, sea salt can range from white and pink to grey or black, like Hawaiian lava salt or Celtic salt. But this is just the beginning. Let's explore how sea salt can be used in your daily life, in ways that might just surprise you. First, culinary delight. Sea salt elevates flavour like no other. Whether it's sprinkled on chocolate, steak, or fresh greens, it adds texture and depth that regular salt just can't match. It's also essential in fermentation and pickling, supporting healthy bacteria due to its purity. Next, beauty and hair care. Want that effortless beachy wave? Try this simple DIY sea salt spray. 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of coconut oil, and a few drops of essential oil. Shake it up, spritz it in, and watch your hair transform with texture and volume. Just don't overdo it. Salt can dry your hair if used too often. Or use it as a body scrub. Sea salt exfoliates dead skin, boosts circulation, and leaves you glowing. Mix it with olive oil and your favorite scent for a spa-like treatment at home. Sea salt isn't just skin deep. It's been used for internal cleansing and detox for centuries. The saltwater flush is a traditional method that some use to reset the digestive system. 2 teaspoons of sea salt in a litre of warm water, first thing in the morning. It's not for the faint-hearted, but many swear by its detox power. Always consult a professional before trying this. Sea salt also supports hydration and mineral balance. Add a pinch to your water post-workout for a natural electrolyte boost. Suffering from allergies? Try nasal rinsing with sea salt. A neti pot and warm saline solution can bring instant relief from congestion. Now here's where sea salt gets truly magical. It's said to absorb negative energy, cleansing not just the body but your home and spirit. Place bowls of sea salt in the corners of a room to clear stagnant energy. Add coins and place it near your doorway to attract wealth and abundance. A pinch of salt under your pillow is believed to protect your dreams and release subconscious fears. A sea salt bath can feel like a spiritual reset. Dissolve 2 cups in warm water and soak. It's believed to wash away energetic blockages and leave you feeling lighter. Sea salt is also a natural cleaner and deodorizer. Mix it with lemon or vinegar to clean surfaces. Place a bowl in your fridge or shoes. It neutralizes odors without chemicals. Let's recap some of sea salt's incredible benefits. It's rich in minerals for overall wellness. It improves skin texture and circulation. It boosts energy and hydration. It cleanses spaces and protects energy. It may aid digestion and detoxification, and it attracts abundance when used with intention. Of course, sea salt isn't perfect for everyone. Too much can raise blood pressure. It's not iodized unless added, so if you're iodine deficient, you'll still need sources like seaweed or iodized salt. And while detoxes can feel great, overdoing them can cause electrolyte imbalances. Moderation is key. Did you know? The word salary comes from sal, Latin for salt, because Roman soldiers were partly paid in it. Spilled some salt? Toss it over your left shoulder to ward off bad luck. And many people use sea salt to cleanse crystals or amplify spiritual work. Sea salt is more than a seasoning. It's ancient wisdom in a pinch, connecting us to the earth, to tradition, and maybe even to something divine. From your skin to your soul, from your food to your fortune. Try it, respect it, and let this mineral miracle work its magic in your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments, how do you use sea salt in your life?